Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Zips, and welcome to Despot's game. I have no clue on what this game is about, but I know it was published by Tiny Build, a pretty big indie game developer. And that's about... And, okay, I also know it's like you command like a bunch of little guys to do cool things. And I think it's a roguelike, so that's why I'm checking it out. This is going to be the first... If this game is cool, I'll probably do a couple more episodes on it. Maybe even make it a series if I like it. And without further ado, let's just check it out. Alright, we got normal mode. We got this jackass with a crossbow. That should be fine. Classic, sword, crossbow, cannon fodder, ultraviolet. Alright, we'll just rock with classic and normal. Let's check out what this is about. There they go. Finally, after many failed attempts, we've managed to summon you. So now there is a chance at least. You are the chosen one. Only you can save the doomed world. LOL. Gets me every time. In truth, you're just one more puny human to perish in my dungeon's tunnels. If you make it through to the end, there's a surprise waiting for you. I doubt you will, but still. Proceed to the next room, and I will proceed to give you remote instructions. Click on the door to move between rooms. Sounds simple enough, eh? Alright. Let's move. Hooray, a fight. To prepare for a fight, choose a good arrangement for your puny human. Select one, then click right mouse button on the free tab with, yep, I got it. You move them. Fight happens automatically when you're ready. So let's see here. This guy's got a shield, so we probably want him standing in the front. Alright, seems like you can only move, like switch your guys around. Let's... okay, I see how this works. So our guys have names. We have Cola, Klangan, Connor, my boy, newbies, have no abilities of any importance. Lena Kenshin with Fencer. The humans received the critical hit ability. 2, 3, 4, 5 humans with different items required for new ability levels. And we have Buttercup Tell with Shooter. The humans. Alright, yeah, let's not get into the nitty-gritty right now. Let's just let our guys smack them. Finding some... So it's an auto battler. Connor. Oh, Connor died. Rip Connor. What is this? Hungering Fury. When hungry / starving, all units receive plus 4% plus 60% attack speed. I guess that's a perk. Alright. This is a room we can enter. So it's like Isaac-style rooms. Wait a second. Seems like you have no understanding of mutations. You can learn more about by pressing this button. Alrighty. Here are the mutations your humans already have. As you play, you'll collect more. Remember to visit this page and read what they do. Here are some mutations you can buy for tokens. Invest in mutations. Invest in a steady future. So I buy them with this food. Thrill Addiction. Restocking the shop is 1 token cheaper. Alright. Grab it. Oh, I do it with these green coins, I guess. A random... I can invest in all of these. All humans receive plus 20 attack speed. That seems incredible. Oh, that's all I can get. Okay. Well, let's just go this way, I guess. Attacks. So we got a fight ready. I mean, this setup works. Let's just send it. They're going at it. Oh, you can see your guys' health. Oh shit, more dudes spawned. Okay, our good dude did it. Do we heal between fights? I have to purchase a new human. Alright. Take a new weapon for them. So we got the gun. So we got the Harquibus, the Nanolance, and the Heavy Ball. I mean, like, I gotta go Heavy Ball. Because balls are funny. Ah, he's a football player. That's cool. 5 more items. Okay. Have you move up here. You're probably gonna be a frontliner. Let's get another human. And we can have you shoot things. Plus 25. I mean, let's do it. Here you go. Move you here. This is looking incredible. Look at, absolutely marvelous. Let's just send it. So this dude seems this doesn't look great, but come on, we gotta kill him okay, he's spreading his damage out. Lenny Kishin's not looking great. You gotta kill him. Alright, we're good. You beat the first... That was a boss? Okay. What an incredible achievement. As a reward, I'm giving you a new button. See? There aren't many buttons in my game, and you need... Wait. There aren't many buttons in my game, so let's see here. Destroyer. Kills all enemies in a room. Doesn't work in rooms with bosses. Creates 3 newbies on free tiles. Rerolls the mutations items. Alright, this seems like good. This seems good. Rerolls. Let's explore other rooms first. Long as our... Oh, wait, no. My guys... Very human here to receive 4 food. So, how do I heal my guys? Is there a way I can heal them? Because I have this food. No, I gotta fight. I will die in this fight. Okay, let's have you move more in the back. Yeah, just have both your guys move farther back. In fact, have your guys just move all the way in the back. Get Cola to... Cola will be fine. Press. Oh shit, my guys are stunned. Alright, easy. Never broke a sweat. There's a shop. We have a lot of money. First aid kit. If we can get a healer, that seems like it'd be really good. Yeah, let's get some healers. Then we have the... I mean, like, I can buy all these, so I don't really see why not to. I don't know what you do, but it... Oh, wait, there's upgrades I can get. Ah, okay. I already explored. Okay, let's just leave. Everybody get in the tubes. Get in the tubes of destiny. Hey, you're... Copter. Humans find a lonely copter hovering pathetically in a quarter over a small pile. I'm trying to take the coin toss. Sure. Cruel but efficient. You receive 10 tokens. Hey, your humans are hungry. Humans eat each time they move to a different room. The more humans you have, the more they eat. If you run out of food, you can produce some food by sending a couple humans over there to the sacrificial pit. Fuel is food. Meat is meat. Isn't that right? Now you go off. So this is a good setup. So we don't want to overload on humans or else we're going to run out of meat. So I say... Hey, you. Get in here. Goodbye. I'm guessing we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 humans, so... Oh, great. Now let's just buy. Let's just get all these guys to go in and kill themselves. It's cruel, but it's necessary. We need food. They're all named. Alright, let's... Our guys are still low health, so I think we just want to keep this set up. Here, let's move you slightly more up. No. Move you here. Let's move our healers up. Alright, this should work. We got dudes from, I believe... Ah, crap, that's not good. Oh, no! Everyone's dying. You losers are not healing enough. I need to buy just a sword. Rabbit in a hat. You know what? Let's try it. I trust you. I don't think this game would lie to me. Oh god, what's happened over here? Can't take any more. Ah, I should've got Darkest Dungeon. Don't you dare. One more push. Ah. Damn. Damn it. Another zombie bites the dust. Zombies aren't known for their durability. What's going on here? I was charging the battery, but the zombie part of the machine broke. There is a lab with T-Virus. T-Virus? I love Resident Evil. I've only played the remake, but the remake was really good. Alrighty. Look, the plot in this game doesn't matter. So let's just send it. These guys are more range focused. Food shop. Give me all your food. Give me more food. Who are my tankiest guys? You're pretty tanky. Get you to the front. Move you back. Let's just try to keep... Let's get out both our healers to just try to keep you alive. Okay, closest wounded ally. So if we just have them huddle around you, this should just be our opportunity for our other units to just go crazy. Seems like it should work. And this guy is seeming relatively healthy. Alright. Where are we going now? Gives us tokens. Yeah, let's go here. This is some decent music. Fight. Oh wait, my guy's about to die. Save him! He's saved. Spirit mask. I don't need another healer. Oh, I can give this to you. No, I can't. Why was it showing me that I could? I can't give this to anyone. Alright. I need something that's tanky. That's what I need right now. Need something that can survive some hits. Let's reroll. What if I upgrade? So now there's more options in the shop. Give me a tower shield. Give it to you. Nano lance? How much health do you have? Like nothing. Reroll me. You have like no health. You have a lot of health. Cart full of toxins. Yeah, that looks good. How much meat do I have? I should have enough. Let's just move on. I don't know what this place is about. It's a combat. Alright, send it. This dude's surviving. Yeah, this dude's doing great. Alright, look like we're in much better shape. Buy 34 food for 9 tokens. Hell yeah, I will. We have 9 humans. Go grab some more tokens. And let's just fight. I don't really know what to expect. Come on, keep our dude alive. This is a teleporter room. Hold tab to select another teleporter room to move there. Now you can see a larger map. Teleporter rooms are marked like blue things. Like blue thingy. Alright. Man's got a freaking chainsaw and he's got so much health. Hell yeah, give me a chainsaw, man. Give me a chainsaw, man. Yo, look at him go. Looky the samurai. Looky the chainsaw samurai. Be careful. Get your kids out of here. Keep your kids safe. He is here. And I have a lot of space I am just kind of not, that I'm just not using. We'll move our tank dudes here. We want our big frontliners in the front. All right, this should work. I don't want a newbie. Okay, so this is another teleport room. So it's like right near the boss. That's just to save time. Alright, sounds good. Another combat, let's do it. This guy's going in. He's wrecking. Make mutation. Oh, I have a mutation ready. When you receive +4 mana. There's mana in this game? Yeah, give me health. Do I have mutations? I do. Oh wait, that spends tokens. I'm so confused. For dance. Fencer spin every 14 seconds. Are you a fencer? You are a fencer. Some tentacles have ranged attacks. Purified. Fencers can rise from the dead with 20% health if they have. You don't have enough mana, so just give me this. And we should try to look for more fencers. And we're about to fight the boss. Okay, give this guy a tank. Okay. Yo, he's spinning. He's spinning. Bro's got the spin. Oh, he's kind of dying. Oh, no, he got the boss. Yo, there he goes. I forgot I had this. There's an obedient Kalade on free tile. Let's do it. You meet a ninja in a blue suit. He can't remember how to shoot ice projectiles. Is this a Crashers reference? I'm gonna say X. Aw, man. So what if I upgrade? That did like nothing. I just wasted my money. Alright, nice. Let's fight. Oh no, no, don't you kill my ninja. My ninja's my most... Don't you kill Lucky the Samurai. He's our most important unit. Yeah, he's good. Time for you to learn class combos. See the crash cart? You don't have like that. Buy it. Okay. Yo, I can get a second. Also, buy a naked human. Oh, wait, these are things I just have. Okay. Okay. Same class. Why? Because now so if I... Okay. I'm still a little confused, but he'll learn soon enough. Put you near... So we should look for more fencers. Let's reroll. Like this. Well, I already have a fencer. Hey, just give this guy a sword. Oh, and I'm about to run out of food. This is not good. You need to sacrifice some guys. All of you, get in the pit. Okay, that should give us enough. That should be enough food. Dude, we have 12. Let's just go 2 more rooms at least. Get oh, that doesn't really do anything, actually. That was kind of a waste. I guess let's just get rid of No Mercy. So now this dude here is gonna do... We want to find more fencers, because fencers are very important for us. Yo, look at them go. They spin in. They spin in like crazy. They're crazy. Definitely give me the food. We need food. Food is incredibly important for us. Oh, you can't move too much. Yeah, that's the mistake I'm making. So you should really use these teleporters. I see. And it doesn't consume food. Okay, I understand now. I was just kind of going between the... he died. No, that was my chainsaw. Oh, I see. So when our dude dies, we could just buy a new one, and we got another chainsaw. Okay, and this is a new fencer, Excalibur. Yes, please. Yo, look at them go. Get our healers near the front. I don't really want this, like... I might get rid of you, because you're not doing too much, and you're pretty low. Get out of here. You're just soaking up. You're soaking up food that I could be using on other things. Let's just send it. They rippin'. They rippin'. They rippin'. It's crazy. So now that I have 3 fencers, I need 1 more fencer to get an upgrade. Okay, send it. I don't really know how to position my guys yet. Yeah, give me food. Just give me all the food. Because we need food. Hey, how's ours? You're looking real low, so let's move you to the back. Here, let's move all our guys back a bit. Move everyone back. Because I want this guy, this quote-unquote stalwart. So how do I use this? Yeah, look at him. We got a little slicer dude. No, we want you in the front. And I'll put you in the... Valoran the Wise. Some would call him. They're doing their spin. Oh, my guys got launched. Alright, we're good. So give me Eggheads. No. Eggheads. 3 rerolls. If 50% humans die, other humans eat unit food. I don't get that. Read raw me. We have some shooters. You can get shooters going. Shooters use penetrating shots that deal damage to all enemies behind the primary target. Alright. This gets us a shop. Oh, no, he died. Just everybody stay alive. Alright, we're good. So I need some new humans to replace our roles that we have. Let's reroll. I need ranged. Eggheads, cultists, rowers, throwers. I can just kind of reroll because rerolling is really cheap. I need one more guy. Well, let's test something. Does this count? No, it's not you. New. In that case, get in the meat grinder. You're a waste. I feel like I'm spending my stuff really unwisely here. Give me another healer. Yeah, because that... Nice, that's good. Alright, this should be good. We need to keep all our units alive. Just get up all the healers. Wait a second. Oh, I did the right one. Wait. Oh yeah, you're my Excalibur, dude. Okay, let's move on. Oh wait, no, this is a fencer thing right here. Oh man. Okay. Tab. Put them on tab, dude. Move to this room. Move to this room. It's time to show this boss that we don't mess around. Oh, it's a samurai. Oh, what's he doing? Oh, he's going crazy. Oh, he's hitting my back lines. Somebody stop him. I think he killed one of my guys. Okay, actually, it seems like nobody died. Get owned. Turn you to the start. This seems really good. Restoring health to all our units. Alright, get up there. Mine Winchester. The humans came across an unusual zombie. He doesn't try to attack. Instead, he keeps playing an old console, clicking his chains. Someone even made him a cozy lair. Recruit him to your cause. He looks friendly. Hey, zombie, want to come with us? We can play D&D in camp. Hey, zombie, want to come with us? We can feed you brains. Hey, zombie, you want to come with us? We're going to a pub. I'm gonna do D&D. Boring. I do. No casualties. Oh, all my guys leveled up. Nice. Okay, so I guess you don't actually want your... I don't think you want your guys to die. So can I just re-roll everything in the shop? I can, for free. That seems like a waste. Let's upgrade the shop. Okay, so upgrading it means you see more options. Gotcha. This was a waste. Now I'm kind of low on food again. We can go down to see more food. Let's just fight. Oh, that's a lot of dudes. Our dudes are ripping. The dudes doing their Beyblades. These are... Thunderbolts become chain. So we have 2 free rerolls. We want to look for something. Shooters. Eh. Attacking. I'm going to use my other reroll. I really want to find... The drone joins the human side. Sure. I don't know what that means, but... Sure, why not? My guy's more health. And we're about to pick up more food. Which is good. Hot 2 summer? So we got drones now. I don't really know what these guys... I guess they're attacking. Trying to attack my backlines, but my guys are too fast. Oh, wait, did one of my guys die? I think I'm fine. I'm not gonna lose anyone. Buy all the food. Okay, let's head this way and then we can head up. Actually, no, let's head down instead. Because that was the way is a teleporter. Okay, everybody's looking good. I can speed this up. I don't think I will. Speed's fine. We're destroying. We are eating things alive. Let's move down. It's a teleporter room with a shop. Just send it. We got these big boys. And dudes just don't really care. So this is a new gunner, the sucker gun. I'm a sucker for you. Let's get by this. He's got the plungers. He's like, any of you guys played like the Rayman game, the Raven Rabbits game on GameCube, and in between each game, and there was like mini games where you were like Rayman with a plunger gun and you had to shoot all the Raven Rabbits. No? Well, fuck you then. Why didn't I teleport? What am I thinking? I just wasted so much food. Despot was here. That was a huge mistake. If I'm gonna die, it's gonna be because I ran out of food. Yeah, I think I just need to buy dudes to feed them. Select you all. No, come on. Select you all. Get into the meat grinder. What if I put you in a meat grinder and all that came out was a little eyeball? Was your eyeball? You're probably dead. I love Germa. I wish you were real. Okay, new enemy. Let's fight him. Oh, it's a big goober. It's a big slime goober. Oh, and there's a bunch of drones. I spin better than the drones, but this guy's knocking me back. This guy's got knocked back, which actually is a big problem for... Yeah, there's so much knock. My guys are mighty split up. They're not actually dealing too much damage, so I don't really care. Octoboss. Your 3 newbies on free tiles. Teleports to a random room. The level. Yeah, give me this. This actually sounds really useful. And I'm just gonna head down. We want. Okay. Giant spider! Giant enemy spider! Run! The humans have successfully escaped from grave danger. Awesome. I'm gonna buy some more humans to put in the meat grinder. Tipping off the meat grinder. Clipping off the sheet grinder. Reminder. Yeah. Ooh, new laser sword. Let's grab it. Oh, it's Kylo Ren. This is awesome. Yeah, okay, that's good. This is good. Let's move on. Let's just shred these guys up. He's spinning. Okay, so we got zombies. Zombies that don't look too threatening. Just give me all the food you can. I will have all of it. Take this path. I'm having fun. This is cool. It's Beyblade time. This is giving me new things to talk about, new things to commentate on. This is good practice. Oh my god. This Beyblade power-up is crazy. I should probably think about my other... Yeah, let's get this. You know, this is the basic weapon. I shouldn't neglect my other possible yoga pants. Yoga fire. So I don't have a fighter yet. I also don't have a thrower. Huh. Let's try it. Are you? You're a fighter. No, you're a trickster. Power shift. Yeah, let's... Although 16 is kind of a lot. We have good food, though. Let's get a thrower. Let's get a pretzel boy. And then move on. Oh, this is the boss. Let's do it. So we got the Necromancer. Who I'm guessing is gonna summon more zombies. That is exactly what he's doing. Alright. We have... Stop. Okay. No one's gonna die. Oh, one of my guys died. That's unfortunate. Oh, two of my guys died. This is very sad. I'm gonna... Let's heal you up. And just heal you up again. I'm gonna grab this. Grab three newbies. And get these guys back into the fight. And I'm gonna use this button that teleports us to a random room. I'm gonna teleport to a random room. We're gonna fight the enemies in this room. They just get shredded like mincemeat. I'm gonna put this man in a meat grinder. Tipping off the meat grinder. And we're just gonna shred them. I love watching these guys get shredded. It makes you sound like a crazy person. Alright, so I do have 2 throwers, so I can look for another thrower to upgrade them. Let's read... This is fighters. Yellow suit. Redraw. Oh, this is a new healer. Let's do it. Defibrillator. Yeah, let's do it. Seems good. Redraw again. Our food looks okay. I'm a little scared, and nothing seems like it's interesting me. Nothing here interesting. So pimping off the meat grinder, pimping off the... I'm gonna look up how the lyric... Hold up, give me a second, let me look up something up. Okay. Dripping off the beat, kind of. Dripping off the meat grinder. There we go. I'm gonna be saying that a lot in this series. I love MF Doom. Okay. I'm not gonna do speed up. Because it's a little too... Oh, jeez. What is wrong with all my guys? Why do they have a floating Daruma over their head? I don't know why. I'm scared. Oh, one of my guys died. I was right to be scared. Wait, we got here. All lower nearby enemies attack. Let's get some redraws. Ooh, healers. When healing, healers restores... All units nearby enemies. Hey, enemies. Attack and move speed. Wait, what? All the units lower nearby enemies. I don't get what that means. Hey, give me this. We have some money we can spend. I was lying. We don't. Let's teleport. This lets us pay minimum food. That was a good buying something that just lets us teleport a dragon. A human encounters a dragon. No, that ain't it. The human encounter a dragon. A giant beefy armored creature that flies and breathes fire. 2 large D6 are lying on the table. Footnote for Sudoku lovers. Small cubes with numbers on each side are people used to play fun games. Damn. Destiny is waiting for me. Summon critical luck and roll the dice. Go for it. Oops. 2 1s. Well, shit. That was my... Alright. Time to summon some new newbies. Don't worry. It's all good. It's all good. Look, we have 2 newbies here. They're gonna look great in the meat grinder. They're gonna do great things for us. Pipping up the meat grinder, pipping up the meat grinder. Oh, we got like flamethrower. Oh, they're flaming me up. I don't like being flamed. What? We don't really. We're looking good. Are we? They're taking a lot of time to die. The thing seems fine though. Has a 20%. I don't have anything for fighters. What is this? I have no bulky dudes. I have none of these. Redraw me. Yo. Fencers heal themselves for 7%. Oh. I'm moving my mic away. I'm adjusting my seating position. Yeah, this is... Hold up. This is good. Yeah, we're fine. So let's take this. Because we're all about fencers. What is this? Hello there. Valiant travelers, please rid me of these tokens at once. Kindly. Yeah, free tokens. Well, shit. Death is the name of love. Love for tokens. Eat yourself. You taste terrible. I need to lure fatter humans in. Post my leftovers around the dungeon and I'll reward you. Alright. Sure thing. I'm about to run out of food. So how do I do this? Not sure. Oh, when my dudes died. My dudes are not very strong when we run out of things. And I need to spend money on meat grinders, man. On the meat grinder. Okay, let's get our meat. Get our need for meat. So how do I spend this? I'm not sure. I ain't sure at all. Dang, maybe I think I spent too much. I should have definitely bought that. I don't know if this is a good investment of money, just sending a bunch of humans to die. Yeah, you don't get too much off it, but I do... Oh, I put one up. Yeah, 100% free. Nice. Why is it not showing that I put one up? Oh, we put another one up. Okay. Let's murder. Is it my fault for forgetting you, or is it your fault for... You should be... you're kind of low, Scott. Scott of Rivia. Hopefully my mic didn't sound weird there. Okay, let's teleport. Teleport back here. And then move into this room. So let's see what happens if you move into a room without food. One of my guys. Okay, this might be the end of the run. Yeah, I'm about... All my guys are dying and I'm gonna run out of food. Oh god, but look at the main place. They're so crazy. So let's see what... We're out of food. So it count... Oh, your humans are hungry. Armor lowered, so we get weaker. That's a problem. That's a big problem. My guys are not able to stand up. Yeah, I lost my lightsaber. We're only gonna barely be able to get out of this. Okay, I need food. Giant heap of meat. Yes, please. I need all the food I can get. Okay, we are no longer hungry. Wait, this is a dead end. I got baited. Oh, we got ranged dudes. Oh, wow. I'm getting destroyed. Wow, we need to kill them. Oh, no. This is bad. Oh, shit. I might die here. Yeah, all my guys are dying. And I don't have a lot of money. And I've got baited. Yeah, the pot's having his way with us. Maybe I need... Okay, we need to replace all our guys. So buy humans. Let's see if we can find something to better units. Get the lightsaber. Get yourself a freaking lightsaber. This should be fine. You should be okay. Get your healers up there. Put a thrower in the back. Your rangers stay in the back. Get an egghead in the front. This guy's not important. We can just let him soak up hits. Healer Fencer. That's what our build is. Damn, this sucks. I'm just gonna lose so much food. Just so much. But let's see what this event is. So we got you your... Great, now I should have a fatter chance. Would you prefer 30 tokens? Tokens, please. Damn, that was not worth it. That shit was not worth it. I'm about to run out of food again. Okay, if we get through this fight, we might have a shot of getting this run to look good. I need these guys to move up. They're not healing. Come on. Yeah. Kill him. Kill him. We should be able to get out of this fight without my guys dying. So I need to make sure my important dudes have healers next to them. Move you here. Why are you all the way back here? I don't know why. That just doesn't make sense. Ooh, I have just enough food to move it to this room. Alright, this is good. One of my guys died. This is not good. Miss. What's using mana? I don't... Something's using mana and I don't know what it is. For sure I already have one. I do. Give you your sword. I bought it, dude. I realize this is useless. I should not have two of these. Well, I guess that was probably a waste. Another healer's another healer. Let's redraw. I need new dudes. Upgrade me one more time. A new thrower. Yeah, let's do it. A bomber. He's got bombs. And then move to this room with the food. Okay, let's hope this bomber can do something. Is he doing something? I'm not sure. Not sure if he is. Seems like he is. Yeah, give me all the food. Alright, we're good. If anyone if you're watching this video, give me some tips. Give me some tips for this little funny game about guys that... Oh, this man's heavy. This man's got some weight to him. Got a ton of weight. Oh, what did he just do? This is the game I'm watching and it's just a bunch of things are happening and I don't know what it is. All my fencers are dying and a defibrillator just... Oh wow, I lose so many guys. Oh, this is looking bad. Oh, all like my big damage dealers are dead. I think I might be dead here. Uh-oh. We'll be fine, right? I think I'll barely be able to get out of this alive. Right? Now they're to my squishies. Oh, we got him. Okay, can we get out of this? Does not seem like it. Yeah, defeat. But you unlock new cool stuff. No food. Brawl. Hunger Games. Untouchable. Alright. I don't know. Cool down in the main menu. Well, that's Despot's games. This was fun. I had a decent time. I'd be willing to return to this. I'll see how well this does on YouTube. If it gets... Yeah, I'll see how well this does on YouTube. And I'll think about coming back to this. This game looks cute, and it has some... Seems like it could have some cool room for some depth. But that's going to do for this episode of... That's going to do for Despot's games. I hope if you guys enjoyed this video, please think about hitting that like button and maybe even that subscribe button if you're feeling generous enough. That's all I gotta say. See you guys next time.